Hello guys, this is our 500cc Kazuma 4-wheel drive. As you can see at the panel, makikita po natin how to switch 4-wheel drive to 2-wheel drive with differential lock with these two buttons, the yellow and the red. So paano po i-engage? Ayan po, naka-press po tayo sa yellow button. Ayan po, makikita natin naka-engage siya sa 4-wheel drive pero nasa rear ang differential lock. To switch both front and rear differential lock, ayan po, press the yellow button and you can see naka-engage po ang dalawang front and rear differential lock. For the shifter, ayan po, meron pa tayong high gear. Ayan, may H. And then low gear. You can switch it to low gear, neutral, and then reverse. Ayan po. So this is a fully automatic water-cooled 500cc engine. So, powerful engine po guys. Okay, so ayan po guys. For the left switches, we have in and out for the winch. Ayan po. We have choke. Ayan po tayong kill switch to on and off the engine. Hazard. The horn, of course, yung light at saka yung power button and yung ignition switch. Yan po.